Hello everyone. Is it possible to return your laptop in India and get back the refund? How does the refund process work in India? What to do if your motherboard fails after 1 month of usage and you end up with a dead laptop? Well, I got a complete refund of rupees 1,16,000 from the Lenovo company even after using the laptop for 3 months. I returned the defective laptop and got my refund, but it was not an easy process. So if you end up in any such situation, this video might help you. So watch till the end of this video to know how to get the refund. So basically, to tell my story in short, I had purchased the Lenovo LOQ laptop from the official Lenovo store on February 27th, and after 2 weeks of usage I started to notice few problems with the charging. While I was playing the game and connected to the charger, there was constant drain in the battery even when it is connected to the charger. After 1 month of usage, what happened is that the motherboard failed and the laptop won't turn on. I made a complaint to the Lenovo and I called the customer care to give me the refund back so that I can buy some other laptop. But according to the company's terms and conditions, they told that they'll not be able to provide a refund, but they can only repair the product. If the similar situation had happened in the US, the person can easily return his laptop to the company and get his refund. This is not the scenario in India. This is not the problem only with the Lenovo, it's the problem with all the laptop companies in India. The refund process in India is very stringent. So if you want to get a refund, you have to complain within 7 days of receiving the laptop. And if you are complaining even 1 day after the 7th day, you will not be eligible for the refund and the company will only try to repair your product. And the repair which they provide in India is not up to the mark. So before you apply for a refund, make sure that your laptop is in warranty period. And to make sure that your laptop is in warranty period, you should have brought the accidental damage protection and extended warranty when you buy the laptop. In case of Lenovo, you can pay around 3,000 rupees and get 3 years extended warranty with accidental damage protection. Why this is important is, if there is something defective in the laptop which happens after their 7 days period, when the company comes to repair the product, if you have an accidental damage protection included with your product, they will replace or repair the product for free of cost, or else you have to pay the money even for the repair. Whatever the charges it costs for the product, you have to give it from your own hands, and this is where the company cheats the customer. So to make sure that you get a refund without spending any money, you have to make sure that you have got the ADP purchased at the time of purchasing the laptop. And if you have forgotten to purchase the ADP, please make sure you get the ADP as soon as possible, even after buying the laptop. Now I'll be showing you how to raise a ticket in the Lenovo official website. So first you go into your browser and type Lenovo PC support. Go into the official Lenovo PC support website and enter your serial number. Once you enter your serial number, you will get into your official website page where there will be serial number and all the machine details will be shown. In this you have to go into warranty and services. Once you go into warranty and services, you can go into the contact us part. Once you go into the contact us part, there will be a section called submit an e-ticket. Click on the submit an e-ticket and it will open up. Once you submit the e-ticket, you can go and check back in the previous webs. If you go into the repair status, you will see what all the tickets have been raised and how the Lenovo has taken action against it. See, ticket is closed because I got the refund and the machine is with the company now. You can do one thing. If you have not yet got the laptop and your laptop is about to reach you, what you can do is, as soon as the laptop reaches you, you raise a complaint even though you don't have any defect with the laptop. Once you raise a complaint, then later you can search for any defect which is there and prove that you are having a defect, so that you don't miss the 7-day grace period which the company gives you. 7 days is a very short period, guys. You will not be able to find the defect, check the laptop thoroughly in all the conditions, only then you'll be able to find the defective. So you have crossed the 7 days period, what to do now? So as soon as you find a defect, you raise a complaint. In case of Lenovo, there are two ways you can raise a ticket. Either you can manually go to their website, enter your product serial number and raise a ticket. And the other thing is you can call the customer care number and raise a ticket. Among these two methods, I think the first ticket which you raise should be from the official website itself, because sometimes when you call the customer care, they listen to your complaint but they don't raise your ticket. They simply say that we have raised a ticket, but when you actually go and check in their website, no ticket would have been raised. Then once you have raised a ticket, talk with the customer care in a strategic way. Is you have to convey the message that the product you have received is defective and it's affecting your work daily, and you need a refund for this laptop because you are not able to work on it. So usually according to the terms and conditions, you will not be eligible for the refund, and the customer care people are trained very well in this. As soon as you tell the laptop is defective, they reply back that refund is not possible. What to do in this scenario is, according to the Lenovo terms and conditions, if the Lenovo company is not able to repair your product even after multiple attempts, then the company is bound to refund your laptop. Either it is going to give a new unit to you or take back the present unit and give the refund to you. So basically the problem with the Lenovo's engineer who comes to the home is they are not trained up to the mark, and whatever the repair they do will be defective. You will definitely be able to find some or the other problem after the repair. Or I don't know what, during the process of removing the heat sink, he has damaged the heat sink or what. I don't know what was wrong with it. Every time you used to replace the motherboard, there was some heating issue with the laptop, due to which the laptop was not performing up to the mark. And this is the point where you have to catch the Lenovo company and you have to use it for your advantage. So you have to find such defect whenever they repair the product and report back immediately, so that they create one more work order and try to repair it again. Once you reach the 3 repair attempts, you can ask them that according to your terms and conditions, you are not able to repair the product after multiple repairs and now you want a refund. Here you can take a different approach than what happened to me. So every time, instead of getting the engineer to your house, it's better that you go and get your laptop to the Lenovo official service center, create a work order there and try to repair it from the service center itself. Because what Lenovo thinks is the engineers who work in the Lenovo official service center are better than the engineers who come to the home. So if the engineer at the service center gives a certificate that they are not able to repair the product, then the Lenovo company accepts it. But it doesn't accept the same report given by the engineer who comes to your home for the service. What I would suggest is, after the first attempt of repair itself, you ask the customer care that you would like to give your laptop to the Lenovo official service center and get it repaired from them, because they are more trained than the engineers who come to your house, and if they are not able to solve the issue, you would like to have a refund. So after the Lenovo official service center is not able to resolve your issue, what you have to make sure is, don't get the laptop delivered to your house. You have to go personally to the service center and show them the defect after the repair, that these things are not working and these things are not working. Tell them to write a letter to the company that they are not able to solve the issue and customer is not happy with the repair and you would like to have a refund. Once they issue a letter to the company that customer is not happy with the repair process, the company will go through the case and they will issue a DOA letter. Once you get a DOA letter, your refund process is for sure. But to get the DOA letter, you have to do all these tasks. So I was able to get the DOA letter after 3 attempts of motherboard replacement and after giving the laptop to the Lenovo official service center. And once I got the DOA letter, they will pack your laptop. You have to provide the original box which came with your laptop along with the adapter and the laptop. They will pack it and ship it to the warehouse, from where the engineer will examine the laptop and make sure all the product is clear, and he will certify the DOA and you will get your refund. The refund process is very simple. Whichever account you have used to pay the laptop, it comes back to the same account. If you have used a credit card, it comes back to the same credit card. And one thing is, if you have purchased a customized laptop, you will be getting only refund, and if you have purchased a non-customized laptop, you will be getting a replacement unit, because the customization occurs outside India, that is in the China in case of Lenovo, and it gets manufactured there and then it's shipped to the India. So you cannot get replacement, you can get only refund for the customized laptop. During this process of refund or replacement, one advice I give you guys is to raise a complaint in the consumer court. So consumer court is of two types. One is online consumer forum, another is consumer court itself. In the online consumer forum, what you can do is you can raise a complaint. You don't need to pay any money. There is no lawyer involved. Only the government of India has created a portal, and the government of India would contact the company that such so and so customer has been cheated by the company and they want a proper solution for it. And the company has to reply back within 30 days. So by raising a ticket in the online consumer form, you are doing two things. One, you are putting a pressure on the company that you will definitely go to the consumer court if they are not able to solve the issue. And the second thing, you will be having a proof that company is not responding to you when you go to the actual consumer court. So I will show you the process how to file a case in the online consumer. It's very simple process. You just have to create an account and raise the issue. You'll be able to see a website called as National Consumer Helpline. Just go into this website and give user login. I usually like to log in with an OTP. First time when you are logging in, you have to create an account. Once you created an account, then you can log in with the OTP. Once you enter your phone number and the captcha, you will get an OTP with your registered mobile number. Once you enter your OTP and the captcha, you will be able to log in. Once you log in, this is the page you are going to get it. What you have to do is press on consumer grievance. Then select grievance. Grievance classification would be goods, and select the state in which you are staying and the city where you are staying, and select the industry. As it is an electronic product, it comes under electronics product, and the category is laptops. So laptop, desktop and PC. So you can select that one, and then you have to select the company. In this case, as we are dealing with the Lenovo, I will be selecting Lenovo India Private Limited, and finally you have to click on submit. Once this application is filled and submitted, the same thing will be reaching the Lenovo official company, and they will have to reply back within the 30 days. I have done few more grievances I have raised while I was trying to get the refund. So what this does is it helps you in making your case more solid. So you'll have a proof that you have made a complaint and Lenovo company has not replied to you. If you click on view details, what the company has replied back. I have done both the process. I have raised a complaint in the online consumer court also, and I have contacted the Lenovo official store itself that I have raised a complaint, and if you are not able to solve the issue, I will be going to the consumer court. And by creating all these pressures on the company, I was able to get the refund. And after I got the refund, I bought MacBook Air M3 from whichever the amount I received. And I would make a video comparing the MacBook Air M3 with the Lenovo EloQ. I just wanted some time to just test the laptop before I can make the video. So keep watching for my next video where I'll be explaining how the MacBook Air M3 performs compared to the Lenovo EloQ to my case scenario.